So, hi everybody. I'm going to do a video, and today I'm going to be making slime, and here it is. So, I just made this one, and it only has 3 ingredients. So, let's get started. And I'm going to go get all my ingredients. So I'm back with all my ingredients. So, you need something to mix in and something to mix with. I think this is the best of a plastic container. And I just got a pencil that I won't use anymore. So yeah. And you need hot water, glue, and this is clear school glue, and some salt, and Crest toothpaste. So let's get started. So first you're going to get one with the salt in it. So only a little salt. And you're going to squeeze. You're going to pour the water in it. And you're going to mix it and let it dissolve. And this is hot water, so be very careful. So you're going to need 3 bowls, 3 or 4 bowls. And then you're going to squeeze the toothpaste in a different bowl. So I'm almost done. I'll be right back when I'm done. So bye. So just so you know, I made this up. Okay, so when you're done, you're going to just stir it. And then you're just going to add some glue. And keep on stirring. Add some glue. Keep on stirring. And then you're going to pour it into the one that has salt in it. And stir. Actually, you're not going to do that. So don't do that. So yeah, you are going to do that. And you're going to stir. Add some glue. And you will be draining this glue back. And put it back in the other glue. Drain it back in the other bowl. And then keep on stirring and just clump it up and you will see that it will start. And if this doesn't work, then just add some more salts. And you'll so I've been draining them down for a while, and I'm just going to pick it up. And you can also see that it's starting to get like a gummy, like feel like gum. So then you're just going to pick it up. You're just going to start kneading it. And so yeah. And that was the video for today. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. And I'm just going to make some more. And you don't already have to add some color because it's already color. So that's very nice because I don't have food coloring. So if you do want another color, then you can just probably add, like what I do is I add nail polish because it stays on better with nail polish, I think so. So yeah, and I don't even have food colorings. So yeah. Because like, and I think this only works for crafts, but if you have a different, like toothpaste, then it probably work, because all toothpastes like go literally the same. Yeah, like yeah, you can use it with all toothpastes, because I tried it with the something one, and it works. So. And you should put this in a container, otherwise it's gonna get hard. If it gets hard, just like put it in hot water for a while. And yeah, because it gets hard really fast, so just put it in a container. And this is a very easy recipe, especially because I don't have borax and I don't even know what that is. I'm just 9 years old. I'm in 4th grade, so yeah. And my laundry detergent, you have to have a certain kind of laundry detergent, and that's Fab or something else. I have to have something in it, a certain thing in it. So yeah. And I'm just kind of keep on draining the water and pick the toothpaste out, and eventually you'll get it. So bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow or Monday. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye! Love you all.